Hi guys, welcome to our channel Lvarte, where travel is an art. Today we are going to talk about travel writing, ways to improve your travel writing. Everybody travels for pleasure and most of us wish to write down our experiences so that it could benefit other readers and other travel enthusiasts. So it's important to remember a few things. Step into a scene and let it drip from your fingertips. This was said by MJ Bush and it has a very, very powerful impact on me, and I'm sure it will have an impact on you as well. Words have the potential to create magic. To be able to jot down your experiences for the world to read or to refer to is a blessing, to so many people. If you are a travel enthusiast who likes to document their trips, this video is just so. Here are a few tips to help you improve your travel. Second thing to remember is do it for fun, for love of writing, and for your satisfaction. Do not start with monetary. Do not start with associating money with money. First one is read a lot. Reading gives you important vocabularies, it gives you confidence, and it ensures that your writing gets appropriate quality. Third is collect and organize your thoughts. Now, when you travel, there are a series of events that keeps happening. You cannot just pen it down raw. It is important to think of an interesting plot so that your readers stay connected with you in your write-up. The next thing to remember is link your article to a goal. There must be some purpose, and also seek help from better writers. Seek for advice, suggestions from better writers. Do not shy away from it. Don't think too hard. Let the ideas flow. Let it be casual. Do not use too many fancy words because sometimes it just feels like it looks very mechanical. The next thing to remember is the introduction must be catchy. The introduction is the one that leads us to the writer. So it's important to make the introduction very interesting. You can put some quotes if you want. The next thing to remember is include candid pictures or your planned selfies from your travel, because a picture speaks 1,000 words. So sometimes that enhances your write-up. The next one is describe people you have encountered in your journey, and try to give importance to the conversations, because a conversation is really connecting to the reader. The next thing to important is always lead the readers into the next paragraph. Sometimes when you are ending your paragraphs of your write-up, always give a kind of hint of what's going to happen next so that the reader stays motivated to continue reading. The next important thing is to remember that most articles are read for entertainment or for guidance. So make sure that you pen down your experiences properly so that if someone refers to it for guide, like best places to visit, or if you're talking about destination, best places to visit, best food, the eateries, the people, you mention them properly so that, the readers get an idea of the place that you have been to. Next thing to remember is do not rush to complete the article. Take it slow. Put in your, heart into it. You cannot just expect viewers or readers by mechanical writing. You need to connect to it so that your readers can connect to it. And the last thing to remember is perfection is a myth. You are sure to make a lot of mistakes, but it's all going to be worth it. Do not let it demotivate you. Never run for perfection, because it will come as and when you continue writing. So yes guys, that's all I have for you. If you have any tips to improve travel writing, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe to our content so that you get updated as and when we upload a video. This is Supriti, your host, signing off.